This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need hair length and a clean baseline, so start by washing with a clarifying shampoo and skip conditioner so strands grip. Once dry, loosely separate hair into uneven sections with clips. Freeform prefers organic parts. Now begin the first actions. Palm roll each section to encourage alignment and avoid combing or brushing. That disrupts locks. Use minimal product, a light residue-free gel or salt spray if needed. This starts the natural matting and sets zones where dreads will form. Once sections begin to cling, escalate the process with consistent maintenance. You palm roll each section a couple times during the week to align hairs and speed locking. This helps strands mat internally. Wash every 1 to 2 weeks with residue-free shampoo and always fully dry. Dampness stalls locking and causes mildew. If loose hair or large fuzz appears, make sure to use a tiny crochet hook very conservatively to pull stray hairs into the core. Overuse creates too neat dreadlocks and defeats freeform texture. To finish, understand that maturation takes time. Expect 6 to 12 months for solid cores and natural tapering. Keep styling minimal. Avoid heavy oils, conditioners, or tight bands which prevent core formation. Once done, trim only severely frayed ends and let weight shape the locks. If a section refuses to lock, make sure to separate it from neighboring dreads and use a small crochet needle to pull loose hairs into the core. Do that gently and sparingly to preserve the freeform look and avoid thinning the dread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.